Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about importing and using icons in Scrivener 3 for Windows. When you open up a Scrivener project, some of the folders always have the non-standard folder icon. Research or resources look a specific way, as do templates and trash. And if you right-click on any folder or document and choose Change Icon, you get a whole selection of others to choose from and change. I think these are particularly useful if you're using them to set out your research section in Scrivener, or if you're using custom icons in something that is more of an organisational project. Creating custom icons is very easy. You just need an icon. Bring up the Change Icon list and at the top select Manage Icons. Click on the plus and you'll be taken to your desktop to choose the file you want to use. This will look much better if you use a PNG file with a shape other than a rectangle to start with. But a JPEG will work and will be converted to a PNG when you add it. If you decide to delete an icon, your file or folder will revert to its original form. One other thing to note is that these icons are specific to a project, so if you want to have them in all projects, you should probably put them into a template. For how to create a template, see this video here.